Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle Channel. In this video today, we have a new weekly collaboration, Quick and Easy Meals at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So all you have to do is make breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. It could be indoor, outdoor, grilling, frying, baking, anything that you want. Just use the hashtag Quick and Easy Meals 23. So I'm going to be popping in and out of this video to show you what I'm making and how I'm making it. I'm also going to be playing some of my personal favorite music over this. I just want to say it is an honor to be on this channel, and I thank you, Mom, that you have given me the opportunity to make some delicious, delicious food on Simply Grace Lifestyle. Thank you. Now, let's get into what I'm actually making. As you can see, I'm forming some hamburger patties. Gonna be making some delicious cheeseburger, the old classic, but I'm gonna be doing it keto style. Ground beef, or most animal products, do not have carbohydrates, so it's the perfect meal to make keto, which is using hamburger meat. All I seasoned it with was just a little bit of salt and pepper. So now that the patties are formed and seasoned on one side, I'm going to place them on the pan, medium heat. Now it's time to season the other side of the patties. Some good old salt and pepper. So I wanted to show you the kind of keto bread I'm eating. It's not actually hamburger buns, but it's a sliced bread called Arnold Keto Seeded Bread. And I'm going to be making 2 burgers of these, so I'm going to need 4 slices. I'm going to place them inside the toaster and get them nicely toasted so that when the burgers are done, it'll be ready. The best way to have some cheeseburgers is to just get some good old classic American Kraft singles. Any other kind of cheese would be too fancy. Just some good old Kraft singles will do. Next, here's some Giant brand store yellow mustard. I personally love mustard on my burgers. Sometimes I'll just use mustard on my cheeseburgers. But today I wanted to be a little fancy, so I'll be using mustard and the G. Hughes sugar-free ketchup. G. Hughes is actually a really good brand. Thumbs up for any sugar-free alternative to the regular ketchup or any other sauce, really. They make a lot of sauces. Now to check in on the burgers, they're not cooked all the way through, so in order to flatten them out a little bit, get all those extra juices and blood out of it, I press it down, honestly, as hard as possible because I need to have my burgers cooked. I don't like medium rare. That's not my thing, especially with ground beef. Personally, I need it to be well done. This is something I always say to my mom, it's better to overcook than under. Good stuff. So now that the 2 slices of bread are toasted very well, I'm going to place some delicious mustard on it. As you can see, the craftsmanship is out of this world. Thank you very much. I always lay the mustard around first for some reason. I don't know. I don't think it matters, but and then I put the ketchup in the middle. Does anybody else do that? Does anybody else have a pattern of how they place their condiments on their burgers? Please leave a comment. Let us know. And I place the cheese ever so softly on top of the condiments. Thank you so much. So, continuing, we're putting the other 2 and last slices of this Arnold Keto seeded bread into the toaster. And no sooner said than done, I'm checking in on the burgers. Again, I'm going to empty out as much juice and blood as possible, make sure they're cooked. But before that, I'm going to flip them over to make sure the other side is just as cooked and well done as the side that is already done. The final 2 slices of bread are nicely toasted. So again, I'm going to arrange my condiments ever so beautifully. Thank you very much. I should be the next Picasso. With some mustard down in a circle and some ketchup in the middle. I'm telling you, you should try this. It tastes different. It hits different, as the children. It says, no cap, homie. It's fire, fuego. And forget I just said that. And so now I'm gonna put the the cheese and lay it down like I'm tucking in a person to sleep. And so here we go. The burgers are done. Dun, 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 dun. They are done. And man, they look really good. So I got a nice close-up for you of me actually putting the burgers together, flipping it over for you. There you go. Good stuff. Because I'm using sliced bread instead of hamburger buns, I like to cut them in half like this, diagonally. So, just a personal preference. It makes it way more interesting, I guess. I'm not really sure. Maybe it's a nostalgia thing, but that's the way I did it. Look at those delicious burgers. Wow. Absolutely incredible. And here is the taste test I'm going to do for you. And who is that guy? That is me, Matthew Ballard, the second son of my mom, Anna from the Grace Life, or in this case, Simply Grace Lifestyle. So that's going to be it for me today. We're also going to be doing a reveal. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Support my mom. Hit the like button if you like the video, if you like what I made. Just a simple American classic using a keto alternative, making it keto. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Simply Grace Lifestyle. It shows that you're one of us. You're with us. And you will continue this journey with both of us, with all of us, really. This is all one big family. So share the video if you want someone else to see this recipe. And a lot of people don't talk about this, but hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever my mom uploads a video. So that's the notification bell. Also, I have my own channel. I don't do these kinds of videos, but I do talk a lot. I talk about what I love the most, Jesus Christ. So if you want to hear the word of God, or if you want prayer, then go subscribe to my channel. It will be in the title of this video, at FM Rules, or it'll be in the description. You'll find my channel. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.